Hello there YouTube, I hope that your day has been going great, and today I'm going to be making an update video on the video that I uploaded yesterday on how to jailbreak. So please go ahead and watch this whole video. It's going to be a quick one. I just need to get a few things out there and make sure that everything's cleared up, because I know that my video about the jailbreak yesterday was not the most comprehensive thing you've ever seen. So go ahead and watch this so everything's cleared up, because I feel that you should be able to enjoy the jailbreak too. And I have actually successfully achieved a jailbreak, and I want to actually show you how to do that. So just as I said yesterday in my video, you do actually still need the app that I talked about before, which is Ignition. And I will actually include the links to my past videos where I talked about Ignition, and this way it'll be easier. But once you have Ignition installed, go ahead and launch it. And it may take a long time because, like I said before, they're always updating. So whenever you launch it, it will typically say loading assets. That just means adding new apps, basically. And as you can see from the last time that I showed you this, there's a couple new apps on here. And in my past video, I said to download Electra 11.3.1. Do not do that. Download Electra 11.3.1 _MP. What that means is Electra multipath, and that's actually going to find several ways to execute your jailbreak. Now, I'm actually not going to be installing this because I actually already have it, but if you do install it, then it'll just come up on your home page, and then you can go ahead and launch it. And once you do, it'll probably say update available or whatever. Just go ahead and ignore that, because you can still jailbreak, and then there's actually tweaks that can update it for you, so there's not really much need for that. But once you are at this page, go ahead, and as you can see, it says enable jailbreak. So what I did to actually fully execute it is go ahead and go in your control center and turn on airplane mode, and that's gonna kill Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And make sure that Siri is disabled and Find My iPhone is disabled. And go ahead and reboot your device and make sure that everything's still golden. Make sure that everything's still turned on and off the way that you want it to be. And then once you've verified that it is, go ahead and launch Electra again, and it will actually say start jailbreak right here or something like that. It says jailbreak, and then go ahead and before you do that, turn off tweaks, because you definitely want to turn off tweaks, because then once you jailbreak, it's gonna say enable jailbreak, and all you're gonna do is launch Electra again once you've done all that, and it's gonna tell you to please wait. It can take quite some time, but it does actually work, and whenever I seen it work, I was like mind blown. And as you can see, already jailbroken, so I just enabled it. And just for proof, we're gonna go ahead and launch Cydia. I gotta turn on my Wi-Fi. Go ahead and launch Cydia. And as you can see, so we're just gonna download a simple tweak. No animations. No anim. Nah, we'll do app admin, because that's always been a favorite of mine, and I don't think that there's too many people that don't like app admin. If you don't know what app admin is, basically, if, for example, when Snapchat updated their whole UI and everybody hated it, if you had a jailbreak with app admin, you could actually go into the app store and change it back to a older version. So, as you can see, I am actually jailbroken, and it does work. But hopefully this clears things up, and if you like this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And always, peace out.